Alright guys, so just a quick tip, if you're ever pulling apart an RC diff and you got your diff gear but it's a solid piece, odds are it's not. If you look somewhere, there would probably be a screw, like in this one. If you dig down through the grease, there's actually a screw in there. So it might just be like somewhere around the diff gear, but I don't think there would ever be a diff where the diff gear is fully enclosed and there's no way of getting it out. So once you've done the 4 screws on the back, you can pull off your diff cover. And there's these screws on the side. You don't actually do the portal housing. You've got to pull the entire housing off with just 4 screws. They're really long though. And then they slide out and your axle shaft comes out with. So you do both sides and then you can just pull your diff gear straight out. Just make sure you don't lose your bearings because they just fall off. And then once you undo the screw, you can get your pinion gear out. So once you got the screw out, which mine was extremely hard, it was so tight, then you've just got to get your other connector, take out the screw, which I've screwed mine in, and just swap it. So once you've done all that, and you switch the drive shaft connector over, you're going to do pinion back in, make sure you have got your bearing, which I do, and then, I nearly forgot the bearing, you got both bearings, put your gear back in, diff cover on, and put it all back together. So I've just got the widened hexes off the old axles. Oh my gosh, one of them was stuck so bad. Like, I had to get my hammer out and wedge it in to physically push it off. So, probably not great. But yeah, we're just gonna put in the hexes and hope it all goes well. Guys, now it's finally time to put the widened hexes on my front axle. Now, they're finally both done.